Computers are designed in a super marvelous ways. They are all designed for multitasking. So it means you can play your favorite movie on your computer, like my Marvel Avengers Endgame, where Thanos disintegrated along with his troop, and the Avengers finally won the game. Or you can even listen to your favorite music from Spotify or Deezer, like mine, by Alan Jackson, The Older I Get. You can also stream on YouTube right with your computer, even play games on Discord, play your favorite game, Candy Crush. I don't know if that's your favorite game, but you can play all these games on your computer. So computer is very essential part of our life. It does a lot of jobs for us. You don't have to go through a lot of tedious ways. People are using computers to get all their remote works done, so they don't have to worry about not in the office or not in where they have to get the work done. So right now it makes things easy. Our lives are easy because of computers. But hey, in as much as it helps us in a lot of ways, it can also be very annoying when apps won't respond, when apps keep crashing, when apps won't open, when you need to get things done and apps start freezing and you don't know what to do about it. Anytime you boot on your computer, you realize that apps start automatically. All these things slows down the startup of your computer. So anytime that you're using your computer, you realize that things are freezing. It's not like you bought it before. Sometimes you can even buy a new computer, but you realize that it becomes very slow in a short time. And I know this is a big problem that a lot of people are facing. You may not know ways and means to get the computer back to where it was. So today I am here. I'm gonna take you through one beautiful or some incredible steps where you can get your computer back to the way it was before. I'm gonna take you through how to delete some. I know these kind of things are happens because some things are not right, or some things have been packed somewhere that you don't have to be there. So you just have to delete all of them. You have to make sure that you just disable all the apps that automatically opens whenever you boot on your computer. So I'm going to take you through these steps where you're going to delete all your cache files, the app histories that are not important. You don't have to keep them on your computer to just freeze your computers. No. So first of all, what I want you to do is that you have to follow me, because this is a step that I don't think that all people can do by themselves. That is why I'm here. It can be very annoying, it can be very frustrating when you are busily doing something, when you have to get some work done and your computer starts messing up with you, and then you just wouldn't know what to do. If you like this video, then sub to the channel. Be very technical. Did I say that? All right, let's forget about that. So first of all, just follow me. We are going to delete some of the cache files, not some, the cache file, the temporary cache files that are not important, and also software histories that are not important, like the ones from the browsers and the apps that you've been using. There are places that some of these histories are being stored that are not important. They are used temporary, and you can delete them, and it wouldn't affect the computer. You wouldn't have any problem with it at all. So first of all, we are going to delete the cache file and then the app histories that are not important. Sometimes these things are stored in a folder called temp folder. The meaning of temp is temporary, so these are in the temp folder, and then they are just piled up over there. Then it just what it does is that it takes space on your computer. So you realize that you have about 500 gigabyte, but you realize that now it is just dropping down. You don't know what you have installed on your computer. You don't know what you have on your computer. You don't have a lot of movies or music or images or anything, but the computer just getting full just like that. Is because of the temp folder, because the more you are using your softwares, the more the app cache and the history pile up in the temp folder. So I'm going to take you through how to delete all the app files and the cache files in the temp folder, and after then I'm going to take you through how to disable the apps that keeps opening automatically anytime you're on your computer. Do you like it? If you like it, just comment in the comment section below and say, hey BB Techie, I love this video, I want you to continue doing this video all the time. If you have a problem too, hey, don't worry, I'm here. That is why I'm here for you. You don't have to worry. Just send me a message in the comment section below, and I'm gonna help you get yours done. We have so many ways to bring up the temp folder, we're going to go straight to the computer and then bring up the temp folder and delete all the files in the temp folder, so that we can free up space on our computer, and even that is going to help the computer to run faster. So what you have to do, you just go to search, and then you click on the shift, you hold the shift down and click on number 5. Number 5 has the percentage sign, so you hold down the shift, then you click on the percentage sign, then you type temp, and again the percentage sign again. So yeah, this is the temp folder. This is the temp folder. We click on the temp folder, so we wait for it to open. Okay, so you realize I have a lot of things in my temp folder. These are all app histories, and these are all cache histories. These are not important. You can delete them and it's not going to affect your computer in any way. So what you have to just have to select everything in this folder. Don't worry if some of the files do not delete, because maybe if any file that does not delete, it means that that file is currently in use, so it can be deleted. But the ones that are being used already can be deleted. So I know I'm gonna take you through and you're gonna know what I'm talking about. So Control A, then you click on delete. Okay, realize I have, wow, so I have 9 gig plus. So this is kind of taking up space. So the ones that are not deleting are the ones that are currently in use. You just have to click on do this and then going to delete everything. These are currently in use, so skip. These are also currently in use, so you're gonna skip it. Yeah, so you don't worry about these ones. These ones are currently in use, but now I have been able to free up 9+ gig on this computer, and this is going to help the computer to run faster. So because it is only 9 gig, it is also going to store in a different place, that is the recycle bin. So we have to go and delete it from the recycle bin. So we go here, I'm gonna bring up my show desktop icon. I have a lot of icons that I've hide these icons. So you look for the recycle bin, then you right click on it, or you can just open or double click and open it, but I usually want to right click on it for the faster way to just get it open. So I click on empty this recycle bin. Great, then I delete everything. So yes, we are done with this. I'm gonna hide my desktop again, and that's the second thing we are going to do, is that we are going to disable all the app that keeps opening anytime you boot on your computer. It can be very annoying. It happens to me all the time, so I know what I'm talking about. I know you are also facing this problem. Whenever you boot on your computer, you realize that the browsers will just keep opening, and some of the software that have already installed on your computer just keep opening without you opening it. It slows down your computer, it freezes your computer, and then you wouldn't know what to do. So what we're going to do is that we are going to bring up the task manager, where we can disable all this app. There are so many ways to bring up the task manager. First of all, we can hold on the control key and the alt key, then press on delete. When you press on delete, you're gonna see lock, switch user, sign out, and task manager. Just going to pause this streaming. So I go there, because if I don't pause the streaming, then the streaming is going to pause automatically and you wouldn't get to see how this is happening. You're going to hold on the control key plus the alt key and the delete button. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the stream now, then I go to control. I'm on Windows 11, so Windows 11, the only way is using, that's not the only way, but the way I know is using the control key, the alt key, and the delete key. Once you click on the delete key, you're gonna see the lock, the switch user, the sign out, and the task manager. So what we need is a task manager. All right, so the streaming stopped, so I'm gonna start the streaming back because the task manager is opened. But if you're on Windows, you can just bring up your task bar. You right click on the task bar, and then you're gonna see the task manager over there. So you just click on the task manager, it's gonna give you this little man right over here. So this is what we are going to. This opens all the apps that are running currently on your computer. You can see the Google Chrome is open. I'm not using it, and then these things are slowing down the computer. So but that is not what we are looking at. We are going to go to the startup. You see, so these are the startup. You realize that I have a lot of things disabled already. This is disabled. The messenger, the Facebook messenger is disabled because anytime I boot on the computer, I realize that it also comes up, and it's very annoying. I don't like it at all, so I have to disable it. Spotify also does the same thing, so I have disabled Spotify. So yeah, but if you haven't disabled any of these things, so you can realize that I have disabled a lot of things right over here because I don't want them to be opening anytime I put on the computer. So if you want to disable something, what you have to do is that you right click on the enabled, then you click on disabled. Voila, it is already disabled. If you want to bring it back on, maybe you like it, you want the app to continue opening anytime you boot on your computer automatically, then you can just click on this and you enable it back on. So you can just repeat the same process, apps that you want to disable, all of them. So yeah, that is it. You just have to disable all of them. Anytime you on your computer, it is not going to open automatically. And then so this is some few ways to get your computer back to the way it was when you had it first. So hey guys, thank you for watching this video, and I know you may have a problem. If you have a problem, just kindly comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to do my best to reply your comment and guide you on how to get all of these things done. Maybe yours may be a different problem. Don't worry, just comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to take you through anything that you have to know, or process that you can get to get your computer back to the way it was. It can be very annoying because I'm a user of a computer, so I know what I'm talking about, and I know you are also facing this same problem. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, can subscribe to the channel, because I'm gonna come your way with incredible uploads, videos that you don't really want to miss. And I have a lot of videos on the channel right now. If you're a YouTuber and you're looking for HD photos and images, or photos and videos, sorry, that are non-copyrighted for your YouTube videos, you should check right over here. I have it over here. And if you also need sounds, background sounds and sound effect that are not gonna get you any content, YouTube content ID claimed, anything like that, you should also check right over here. I have a video over there, so click on this video and you can download. Whether you need comedy, you need adventure, whether you need love, any genre of background music you need, you're gonna find it right over here. And then hey, I also have a video on how to get access to all your files, your photos, your calendar, your notes on your iPhone if you don't have access to your iPhone anymore. So I have that video right over here. You can check it out. And hey, if you like me, just subscribe to the channel, comment and share for friends who are also in this problem to also see the video. Thank you. I'm out.